Hello all, welcome to INYA. In today's video we're going to show you a few semi-tussar sarees similar to that of your semi-matka tussar sarees in the price range of 1850. All these are block print, inspired from block print, not exactly block print. Some of these are block print, some of these are block print inspired, and we're going to show you about 10 sarees in this video. For wash care and maintenance, we recommend that for the first wash you can do a dry clean, and then for subsequent washes you can do a mild hand wash at home for the fabric to last longer. These are lightweight and perfect to carry for occasion. These are lightweight and perfect to carry for casual wear. So let's get started. The first one is a nice peach with mint green color. So the first design is that of a batik print. So similar to that of a hand block print, but the style of printing is batik, and it carries tissue borders on both sides, and then there's a skirting border above the tissue border on both sides. So this is leaf motifs given in the form of block print, but it has the batik print form to it, and then there are single leaves given in the center of the body. So I will slightly show this up close, and I will also give an explanation video of what this print is basically, because here in this print, if you see, since it's batik, there would be colors similar to that of your base color, slightly darker. You can see that the white batik print is printed, and then there would be like small spray kind of effects that would be there on top of the print. So I will give a close view also after I explain this saree completely. So that's the look of the entire body. Nice color chart in this set. So this is the pallu, slightly gicha effect to the center of the pallu, and this comes with a green color blouse with dull gold stripes throughout. Very lightweight, and you can see the fall of the fabric. See, although this is tissue border, it's not very stiff. So I'm just showing you, even when you pleat it, I am actually trying to pleat the border itself, so you can pleat it well. So this saree is priced at 1850. We will show you the available colors in this design, and then a few different designs also. For 5 colors in this design, we'll show you all the 5 colors. The next is a nice pale blue with turmeric yellow shade. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. So with the nice tissue borders on both sides, and then block printing discharge batik with leaf motifs on both sides. I had explained clearly on what the print looks like, and then for the entire body, the motifs are spaced apart with quite enough spacing, not very crowded. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. So this is going to be the pallu, a yellow pallu with some light gicha kind of effect here, and then finished with tassels. This is going to be the blouse piece, and the blouse piece will have dull gold stripes throughout the blouse piece. So this saree is priced at 1850. So I'm making this video so that you get a up close view of how the print is. So this is batik print with spray and discharge technique. So you can see that here and there you will see that spray of the darker color of the saree color. So this is a blue one, and batik prints, leaf motifs, and here and there will be this discharge kind of print. It will be there throughout the saree on all motifs, and this is how it is going to be. So you can make an informed decision on how it looks before making a purchase, because some of them may like that kind of spray, some of them may not like, right? So that's why I'm making this close video, so that you get an understanding of it. Next is a nice pink with lime green shade. That's going to be the look of the entire body. Nice discharge batik prints in leaf motif on both sides as skirting borders, and then the leaf pattern in between. So nice tissue borders on both sides. That's going to be the pallu, a green color pallu with a gicha kind of effect in between, and this comes with a lime green blouse with dull gold stripes in between, and it's also finished neatly with tassels. So that's the saree. This saree is priced at 1850. Next is a nice light yellow with blue shade. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Tissue borders on both sides. Hand block style batik discharge prints with leaf motifs on both sides, a skirting border, and then the same motif for the body as well. So that's the look of the entire saree. So that's the pallu, finished with tassels, and this is the blouse. The blouse carries dull gold stripes throughout. The saree is priced at 1850. This is the last color in this design, a nice sea green with tomato shade. The border shade is not red, it's not peach, it's a shade in between peach and red. So more like a tomato red kind of a shade. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Nice batik prints in discharge style for the body and the borders, skirting borders. Tissue border on both sides, and then the skirting border with a bunch of leaf motifs and single leaf motifs for the entire body. That's going to be the pallu. I think here you can see the color more visibly well than the border. So that's the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. Blouse piece carries small dull gold stripe lines throughout. It's finished with tassels. So this saree is priced at 1850. Next is a different print. It's a nice color. It's a nice silver grey tone with again tissue borders on both sides and nice skirting border prints on either sides, and flower kind of motifs throughout the body. So that's going to be the look of the entire body, with slightly multicolored prints. So that's the pallu, slight gicha effect pallu with tassels, and this comes with a printed blouse. So the blouse carries first dull gold stripes and then small prints to match with the prints in the body. So that's the blouse. This saree is priced at 1850. There's one more color in this design, we'll show you that. Next is the same design as the previous saree, but nice light blue shade. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. Tissue borders on both sides, small multicolor skirting border on either sides, and multicolor floral prints throughout the body. So that's the body. So this is the pallu, finished with tassels, and this is the blouse. Blouse carries dull gold stripes, and then on top of it small prints to go with that of the prints in the saree. So all these are very lightweight. The fabric is really good. It's not stiff. Even though the border is slightly tissue border, you can see how it pleats. So I'm holding here. It pleats really well, and for the body part, the fabric is really nice and soft. This saree is priced at 1850. The next three sarees we will show assorted collection of prints. This one is a nice orange, mild pastel orange with nice batik type of prints, and there is also discharge of batik all over, which means I'll show you up close. So this is going to be the large motif. Below that, in the base, there are first wavy line prints that are done, and on top of it there is a motif, and throughout the saree you will see brown color discharges, which means like there will be dot sprays all over. So that's going to be the look of the entire body. So some of you would be interested in such sprays, some of you will not be. So that's why I'm showing you this up close, and only those who are interested in this kind of a saree do place an order. If you're not a fan of discharge all over, kindly do not. It becomes a hassle to take returns if you do not see the entire video and place an order in a hurry. So that's going to be the look of the entire body with nice wavy pattern slide batik prints first, and then there are motifs large and small, and brown color print spray throughout the body for that effect. So nice tissue borders on both sides. So that's the pallu, a printed pallu, finished with tassels. Now this is the blouse with dull gold saree stripes throughout. The saree is priced at 1,850. Next is a nice beige with red combination with vibrant colorful prints all over. So leaf motif, and 3 colors used for the prints. One is a nice light olive green, red and dark green used for leaf motifs throughout the body. So that's the look of the entire body. Nice red color borders, tissue borders on both sides. That's the prints throughout. A printed pallu, nice printed pallu finished with tassels, and that's the blouse. So this is going to be a plain blouse. There is no stripes, but plain. Since the body has a lot of prints, the blouse is kept plain. So this saree is priced at 1,850. And to close off this video, the last saree for this video is a nice black with beige, one of my personal favorites of this lot. So it's a nice black, not jet black, slightly one tone lighter than that of jet black. You can actually make out from my sleeve to this. This is dark and this is slightly lighter. So not jet black, but still black with nice beige color. Nice tissue borders on both sides, beige borders and tissue on. Nice subtle beige leaf prints, fall kind of prints. Fall leaf kind of prints in beige shade. It's a beautiful piece with shaded effect, batik kind of shaded effect. So that's the abstract pallu with lines or stripes. So it's finished with tassels, and this comes with a nice beige blouse with the gicha effect. There is gicha effect with those gicha stripes running throughout and the tissue border continuing. That's the blouse piece. This saree is priced at 1,850. It's a very beautiful piece. So if you'd like to make a purchase of any of the sarees shown in this video, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 98405 71110. Happy shopping and thank you.